Just fantastic. It's overwhelming to see the outpouring, and we appreciate it so much for our residents. Thank you so much, Mama T.
Mama T has done wonders for me. The thing that saved me more than anything was your refrigerators. And I tell you, that means everything to me.
The tea fridge has been awesome for me because like I'm on food stamps right now a little bit, and there's times when I run out, and I've been checking here regularly and finding lots of really cool stuff.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Garrison Hine.